Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will cook one of the famous Filipino dish called pork sinigang. The ingredients are eggplant, onions, tomatoes, radish, water spinach, taro, pork ribs, Mama Sita sinigang mix, and fish sauce. Let's start by boiling our pork ribs until it is tender. Then put the tomatoes and onions. And then next, let's pour our Mama Sita sinigang mix. Alright, then let's add our taro. Okay, right now let's go ahead and add some fish sauce to balance the flavor. Okay, right here we simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the taste. And based on your taste preference, you can make some adjustment, but you don't want to make it too sour also. Okay, at this time, let's go ahead and put a radish. We'll simmer it for a minute or a minute and a half to make the radish a little bit tender. Next, let's put our eggplant. Okay, now let's go ahead and put our water spinach. That is our last vegetable, so we can simmer again for a minute and a half, and here is the final product. It is beautiful. I can't wait to taste it, so let's go ahead and do some taste tests.
Tikman natin ang ating pork sinigang ribs. Let's do that. Here we go. Some veggies. There you go. Wow. Look at that sabaw. Let's see. Here we go. It is yummy! Ang sarap, guys. This is the best. You know, it's a little bit of maasim. You know, the best thing about pork sinigang or sinigang at all, you know, yung little bit of that sourness. So, very good. Tender. So, hope you guys can give it a try. Madali lang siyang lutuin. And let me know in your comments pag ginawa nyo na, guys. And hopefully you guys enjoy the dish. So, thank you for watching. Bye!